Hi everyone, Alex here and welcome to 2.0. So Huawei has been releasing products after products and they just recently released this Huawei MateBook D14 made thinner and lighter for students on the go. But I doubt we'll be on the go anytime soon, so this might help you with distance learning because it's only priced at $39,990. Now let's take a closer look. So this entry-level version of the MateBook series would fit everything you need to do for school, work, and entertainment. We have the Mystic Silver. It weighs 1.38 kilos and it's light but not exactly the lightest. It has an aluminum alloy cover giving it a sleek look. Underneath, it has the Huawei Shark Fin 2.0 to optimize airflow. So you'll also notice the rubber feet to help airflow and avoid blocking the speaker, but it's actually a bit too bulky. The speakers were loud but not so impressive because the audio sounds muddy with poor high-frequency sound reproduction and inadequate low-frequency response. In layman's terms, you're gonna miss that booming sound of your bass and high-pitched sound of the high notes of a piano or a flute. On the sides, we have the USB-C port, USB 3.0, and HDMI. While on the right, you have the USB 2.0 and headset and microphone 2-in-1 jack. It sadly does not have any micro SD slot. It has a fingerprint power button to log in and it's actually quite fast booting up. Up front, we have a 14-inch IPS screen with a 1080 by 1920 resolution and an anti-glare protection, which is really useful. It has thin bezels at the top and sides but kind of thick bottom. It also has a TUV Rainland certified display that reduces blue light emissions. It can also use a little boost of brightness because it's only around 250 nits. The hinge can open up to 178-degree viewing angle, although I'm not exactly sure what it's for. It's not touchscreen and I don't think I'm gonna use it like this, nor am I gonna watch like this. So yeah, no top bezels because it has a recessed camera here on the keyboard, which also provides privacy. So this is the quality of the 1 megapixel camera and microphone. Yes, that's 1 megapixel camera. And yes, it will also affect the viewing angle, most especially if you have a lower table. But in my case, this is actually the best position already. It's also not that flattering, and when I type, my fingers occupy nearly half the screen, and this is how it looks like when I try to press the key right below the recessed camera, which is number 7. So yeah, I hope you understood and heard me right because the microphone can use some work. It does not reproduce audio with high fidelity. It has 56 watt-hours and according to Huawei, it's expected to last 9.5 hours of local video playback. But for my daily routine, web surfing, watching videos, it lasted a total of 11 hours. It took me an hour and a half to fully charge. It also has a USB-C cord which can be used for other devices, and this 65-watt plug with a retractable pin to make it less bulky. It would have been easier if it had a common plug like Apple's MacBook because you might need a travel adapter for this. It's operated by Windows 10 Home and is powered by AMD Ryzen 5 with 8 gigs of RAM, but you can also get this with AMD Ryzen 7, which will cost you a little bit more but might be worth it. It comes with this graphics card and a 512 gig storage. So far, I didn't experience any slow response with basic activities, although when I tried it with Premiere Pro, it took longer than usual to render about a minute-long video. It also features multi-screen collaboration, but it would only be compatible with a Kirin 980 chip or a higher version. Overall, it offers serious value for money with its AMD mid-range specs and it's premium looking too. A lot like Apple MacBooks, but without compromising its affordable nature. If you have any questions, leave it on the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.